apart, a part. In this video, I will go through the difference between these words. Apart is one word and a part is two words. These words sound the same and are commonly confused. However, they mean different things and are used in different contexts. Apart. Apart is an adverb. It refers to the separation of two or more things. This can be a separation by distance. For example, we must stand 2 meters apart. It can also refer to a separation by time. For example, my children were born 2 years apart. Lastly, it can refer to physically separating something or if something is broken and it's fallen apart. For example, I had to take my watch apart in order to fix it. This just means that I had to separate the different parts of the watch in order to fix it. Apart can also be used as an adjective. As an adjective, it means separation or isolation. For example, we live apart. Essentially, this just means we live separately. Lastly, apart can be used as a preposition. As a preposition, it means except for or besides. For example, apart from the extremely hot weather, I really enjoyed the summer holidays. Note that when it's used as a preposition, it's commonly followed by the word from. Apart from. A part. A part is made up of the article a and part, which is a noun. This is a phrase and it refers to a piece of something. So, it's one part of a whole or one part of a larger group. A part is usually used with the preposition of, so it becomes a part of. For example, she ate a part of my sandwich. Another example is, he was a part of the football club. It's important to note that we don't always have to use the article a before part. So if we take it out, the sentence still makes sense. She ate part of my sandwich. He was part of the football club. So the sentences are still correct if we remove the article. We usually use the article a in cases where it's followed by an adjective. For example, she ate a big part of my sandwich. So in this example, the adjective is big. He was a vital part of the football club. Vital is the adjective. Now, test your knowledge by putting the right word in each sentence. You can pause the video now so you have time to think about your answers. Okay, now let's go through the answers. He was very happy to see her after spending a year apart. The answer is apart because I'm referring to the separation of two people. You are an important part of my life. The answer is part because I'm saying that you are one important part of my life as a whole. Notice that the sentence contains the adjective important. Therefore, I have to put the article an. You are an important part of my life. However, the sentence would still make sense if I removed the adjective and the article. You are part of my life. We will live apart next year. The answer is apart because I'm referring to a separation. May I eat a part of your sandwich? The answer is a part because I'm asking if I can eat a piece of your whole sandwich. The sentence would still make sense if I removed the article a. May I eat part of your sandwich? Apart from the sauce, I enjoyed the dinner. Apart in this sentence has the same meaning as besides or except for.